People ask me, what do I eat when I'm traveling to stay on target with my health goals? I made a parfait. They're easy to make the night before, so you just grab and go. And today I used cashew yogurt. I'm trying to cut back on dairy a little bit for now. And then I did layers of slivered almonds, and then I did mango, and then just layered from there. And I did put a little bit of honey on the yogurt because there's no sugar in the yogurt whatsoever. I make sure that I have plenty of water, so I have 2 thermoses. So what I try to do, again, because I just want to get there, is I'll try to stop and do everything all at once. So gas, bathroom stop, get my lunch out of my bag. For lunch, yesterday I had made this amazing coleslaw. Can I say amazing again? Amazing coleslaw. And I'm going to be doing a video on this soon because it is so good for you and it is so full of flavor. And so I brought it along, and it was really nice because it was already made. Here's my sandwich. I put it in parchment paper so it will be easy to hold while I'm driving. I'm going to try not to do a lot of snacking, and it's not that far. It's like a 6-hour, 7-hour trip. So I'm just going to try not to eat anything else, and I'll show you how I eat when I'm on vacation as well. So you can see, you know, I do relax a little, but I mainly want to stay on point. When you're on vacation, it's an ideal time to take your mastimes and your magnesium. So many people end up constipated, let's just be honest, while they're on vacation. The body kind of knows there's something different going on. This will keep you right on track. And on vacation, we all do a little extra vacationing, which is when mastimes is great to help flush it through. Chef Zach in the house. And
it's a boy.
It's pizza night. I'm doing a little prep, making some granola, gonna have some parfaits and some other yummy stuff. So can't eat out every day on vacation, so you might as well fix something yummy and healthy.
Would you look at it?
Wow.
Just look at it.
That is top notch. You killed it, Zach.
Thank you.
Delicious. So delicious.
So
I'm
that's
stuffed. All right, guys, we gotta go walk.
Oh.
So when you're visiting, it's a prime opportunity to make them some healthy food so they can see how you eat and to know that it actually tastes amazing. So today I am making my mango parfait, and I whipped up some of my granola, which they can't stop eating. I had to tell them to keep their hands out of it so we had enough for breakfast. And I'm also making my squash muffins. So those were super easy, and I just packed a cooler and I brought the squash from my garden, saving the day, you know, because first of all, it's expensive to eat out every day on vacation. So just grab a few ingredients from the grocery store. There's always one somewhere close. And that way you can pocket in healthy food. So, you know, if you eat out once every now and then, because it's not what we're doing every now and then that matters. It's what we're doing all the time that matters. So some of the ways I do it. So this is actually a work vacation for me. But regardless, when I am on vacation, I always make sure that I move my body in some way every day. And the reason is because it actually helps me to feel energized. It keeps me from feeling creaky in my body. And the last thing I want to do is go home from a vacation and feel like I am starting from zero, right? And that is how I used to live my vacations, totally relaxed, eating junk food and things like that. Noticing that when I got home, I felt terrible. Everything has been on point, amazing, every single meal. And the other day, day one, when we made that pizza, oh my word. Okay, so that was a little bit outside the box, more in the 20%, but we had a beautiful salad beside it. But that pizza was better than if we would have gone out and gotten one. It was top notch. And then on day two for dinner, which I forgot to shoot a little pic, we went to eat at the Flying Lizard. It's iguana. Flying iguana. And I just had a couple of tacos. I feel like that stayed pretty much in the 80% because the tacos were just clean foods. Today we started out our morning at Le Petit Paris. I might be mispronouncing that, but oh my goodness. First of all, the atmosphere, whether you're sitting inside or out, we started outside with our coffee, but I already feel like I'm on vacation when I am there, and we just used it as a place to work. But we had quiche, which was absolutely delicious, and we're getting ready to make lunch right now, and I'll share that with you and let you know how the rest of the day goes. So this is day 4 and started out with just a little bowl. I got up at 6:30 and so by 8 I was a little bit hungry, so I started out with a little bowl of oatmeal and I forgot to record that. And then Marcella made us a smoothie, which was delicious. And for lunch, because Zach and Marcella had made this amazing pizza and we didn't want it to go to waste, we're doing that now, and we're having leftovers and this delicious salad. So this is the balsamic vinegar from Trader Joe's. You guys know I'm a palmetto olive oil girl, but I will have to say that this does have some really nice flavor, and I'm not sad. We did Zumba in the park. It was 10:30 a.m. in Florida, and it was like 90 degrees outside, but we made it to the end, and we had a lot of fun, and got that part out of the way. We'll keep you informed. We are going out to dinner tonight, and we are going to splurge a little bit because we are celebrating some amazing milestones that we have achieved together. So we're gonna celebrate. So this isn't something I would typically eat, but I am on vacation, and so I have to try the amazing things that they have to offer. I made some sprouts for the hosts. This is my last day, and it has been so much fun. I came here to me, whenever I come to Florida, it's a vacation. But the food has been absolutely delicious. I made a little bit of a mistake yesterday. I did not evaluate the menu heavily and didn't realize that I was going to be eating a lot of pasta. But the short ribs were delicious. And I would definitely go back to the local because it's a cute little establishment. We sat outside, it was so nice, which I show you right here. But we're headed to Florida Bowls, which is one of my favorite smoothie bowl places. But yesterday we started out with eggs and toast, and I brought my farm fresh eggs. We used the sprouted bread from Trader Joe's. Went to a coffee shop to work. Then we came home and had the cabbage detox salad, which is from my ebook, and it is absolutely delicious, super good for your body. Go watch that video if you haven't yet, where I make the cabbage salad. Grab my ebook if you haven't grabbed it already, because it's a great way to kind of figure out how to navigate the clean and healthy life. You get to see it play out in front of you in an easy way where you already have a grocery list done for you. I have done the work for you.
Action.
I'm so happy right now. Look at this. Amazing. Delicious. Going to the zoo. You guys excited?
Oh, baby.
That's going in the video. So I hope you have enjoyed this travel video where I showed you some tips and tricks along the way and how I basically do vacation. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you would do me a favor and just hit that subscribe, and then you'll be notified for all the things that I have coming up. And there's a lot of stuff coming up. I love being chauffeured.
Where to next, Sergeant?
To Florida Bowls.
Oh,